guys, it's Kyra from KyraWilliamsFitness.com, and today we are doing rear delt flies. So as you guys saw, there's two different variations, and they both are great for the shoulders. We're just gonna start in a bent over position. Our feet are gonna be directly below our hips. And we're gonna push our hips back, and then we're gonna bend in the knees slightly. So now my chest is just kind of like towards the ground, and my arms can kind of hang down in this position. And then from here, we are going to basically bring our arms out and up. Now, if you start to stand up, you're gonna end up using your middle delts a little bit more, but we really wanna focus on using the rear delts. So if you're doing that, lower the weight and focus on the movement, okay? So here we are in this position. We want to keep our chest facing the floor the entire time, and we're gonna fight gravity as we bring our dumbbells out and up. There's also the variation where our thumbs are facing one another, and we're doing the exact same thing. So for more excellent upper body exercises like this, sign up for online personal training at KyraWilliamsFitness.com.